Hi guys, Mark here from Electric Dream Machine. Giving you a quick update on our workshop stuff at the moment. Today we're going to be looking at the Type 3 behind me, squareback. So yeah, we're working on a adapter plate for this that will work with the Nissan Leaf motor. So we'll go talk to Martin and see what he's up to.
Yeah, well, what we've got here is our Nissan Leaf motor, which we're now going to couple up to a 1971 Type 3 Volkswagen gearbox. Yeah, it's going to have the full clutch, so it'll be, you'll be able to use gears as per what it was originally like. We've now developed adapter plates, so we've got a Nissan Leaf adapter plate and a Volkswagen adapter plate here. So these two can separate. We can adapt it for any other vehicle within reason. So yeah, now we've got a full flywheel floating on its own bearing as well, so it's not hanging on the shaft of the motor. It's got its own bearing. And everything is really ready to go in now, so we're just about to do our final fit. But all looking good. I think it's, yeah, this will be it.
Great. And this could also be used in other VW conversions?
Yeah. We've got a 75 combi over there. It has a slight variation, so the input shaft on the gearbox is a little bit longer. So we've got an updated version of that one too. But most of the early stuff, this kit will fit beautifully.
Nice. Okay. Look forward to seeing what this looks like installed.
Yep, not far away now. Later on today.
So I haven't got footage of the actual motor wiggling into spot, but I was here with Martin and yeah, he needed me to help with the trolley here, up and down. So Martin, what do you reckon? It's like took you
5 minutes.
5 minutes to align it and put it in. Amazing.
Turn the flywheel slightly, align the spline, and it just slipped in.
Fantastic.
As soon as you straighten it up.
Yeah, great.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn through the night. Why you're so salty? I'll still